Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Snowflake Certification Training Course, Lecture 5. In this lecture we will learn about Snowflake Data Integration and Pipelines, Introduction to Data Integration in Snowflake, Data Integration Options in Snowflake, ETL Processes in Snowflake, Building Data Pipelines with Snowflake, Best Practices for Data Integration in Snowflake. Conclusion. Introduction to Data Integration in Snowflake. Data integration is the process of combining data from multiple sources into a unified view. It's a critical component of any modern data architecture, and it's essential for organizations looking to gain insights from their data. A robust data integration strategy can help businesses streamline their operations, improve decision-making, and reduce costs. By integrating data from disparate sources, organizations can gain a more complete picture of their business, identify trends, and make better informed decisions. Data integration options in Snowflake. Snowflake provides several options for data integration, including bulk loading, change data capture, and data replication. Bulk loading is the process of loading large amounts of data into Snowflake in a single operation. This option is ideal for initial data loads or periodic updates of large datasets. Change data capture (CDC) allows you to track changes to your source data and replicate those changes in Snowflake. This option is useful for real-time data integration scenarios. Data replication involves copying data from one database to another in near real time. This option is useful for scenarios where you need to keep multiple databases in sync. ETL processes in Snowflake. Extract, transform, load. ETL is a process used to integrate data from various sources into a single destination. In Snowflake, ETL processes can be created using SQL and are highly customizable. For example, you can use ETL processes to clean and transform data before loading it into Snowflake. This can help ensure that your data is accurate and consistent. One of the benefits of using ETL processes in Snowflake is that they can be automated using Snowflake tasks. This means that you can schedule your ETL processes to run at specific times, such as overnight or on weekends, without requiring manual intervention. Additionally, Snowflake's ability to scale horizontally allows ETL processes to handle large volumes of data quickly and efficiently. Building data pipelines with Snowflake. Snowflake is a powerful platform that can be used to build data pipelines for integrating data from various sources. One of the key advantages of using Snowflake for building data pipelines is the availability of features like Snowpipe and tasks. Snowpipe allows for real-time data ingestion, while tasks make it easy to automate complex data integration workflows. By leveraging these features, organizations can build robust data pipelines that are scalable, reliable, and efficient. Best practices for data integration in Snowflake. Optimizing performance is crucial for data integration in Snowflake. One best practice is to use the appropriate loading method based on your data volume and frequency of updates. For example, bulk loading is ideal for large volumes of data that don't require real-time updates, while change data capture is better suited for smaller volumes of data that require frequent updates. Another important best practice is to ensure data quality by implementing data validation checks and monitoring data pipelines for errors or anomalies. Additionally, it's essential to maintain data security by using Snowflake's built-in security features such as multi-factor authentication and role-based access control. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the importance of data integration and how Snowflake provides various options for integrating data from multiple sources. We have explored different data integration options available in Snowflake, including bulk loading, change data capture, and data replication. We have also discussed the ETL process and how it can be used to integrate data from various sources. Furthermore, we have seen how Snowflake can be used to build data pipelines using features such as Snowpipe and tasks. Finally, we have provided tips and best practices for data integration in Snowflake, including how to optimize performance, manage data quality, and ensure data security.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.